All right, so we're going to be looking at a crate PA-160. Basically, all of the pots are cracking, breaking up. So I'm going to try to open it up, see what we can do. Hopefully get some contact cleaner in there and see how that does. So, never really done this before, but hopefully it'll be straightforward. Alright, I think attacking it from the bottom is going to be the way to go. We just lost some parts of the knobs. I don't think those are too important though. So everything wraps all the way around except for this bottom panel. And I guess we could have tried the sides as well, but this seems to make about as much sense as anything. And also it's only going to be 4 screws instead of 6. First one is very loose. That's my city stock. Is that going? Yes, what's that mean to me? Already started this? No, that's okay. Maybe it was. I'm missing that long screw. So hopefully those. Oh, is that? No, that's it. Yeah. I'll keep your screws straight. Make sure you don't mix them up. All right. So I don't know if this thing's ever been opened. Let's see what kind of treasures lay inside. Or oh, all right. That isn't so bad. So we got a transformer and stuff there. It looks like the powered amps in the back there. And then what we would need to get to is this circuit board. But it doesn't really look like it's going to be easy. It really is just the knobs. I'm going to have to do all of those knobs and take them off. All right, we got to flip it over. Okay, master. And no, never mind. I'm trying to keep it loose. I'm just trying to keep them over here on the side where everything's lined up. So I never really knew how old this thing was. It was just handed down. Inside you can see it's a lot longer than I thought it was. What is it called? Modern? That was a dinosaur. Come on, maybe we can still that one. Let's see. Here's the word. Come on, come on. Got him to Papa. Oh, that was a stubborn one. All right, here we go. All right, so now we're gonna have to take off all these little nuts. Little nuts. Uh-oh, we got one stuck. That's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, most of that. We can probably do that. Then it oh, yeah, that's cool. Should probably not be using a fine tip screwdriver to do that. Trying to get this guy out. Oh boy, so there's a lot more. I was originally anticipating. But that'd be okay if I break it free. Yeah, they can quit me. Don't have that. Alright, we're just gonna start cutting these. So, something we should probably be mindful of is the last ones we do on here should probably be the corners, huh? So I'm gonna leave, well, I'll leave that one tight over there on the right. We'll leave this one on. We'll leave that one on. We already got that one off. So I won't worry about putting it back on, but at least we got 3 out of 4. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Come on now. Go on out. Oh, for these. There you go. Come on. All right, that one. There it goes. There we go. Yeah, we're done free. Oh, the right end. Everything else will on. because other than, if I the wires, I suppose there's some connectors. All right, so let's hold. Oh, okay, yeah, I can feel it. So it's loose. And you know what? Let's go ahead and put this one. I'm gonna put that one back on. And what we're gonna do, at the very least, we're gonna put this T-shirt underneath in case it does slide down. All right. You know what? We're working from the side now. So it should be good to just fall right out. And I don't really see any tubes or anything. It's all, I think, just solid state. And just be free. Okay, 4 washers, fine. But I think we're good on this side now. And let's get this up a little bit. Let's try. Let's see if we can get out first. Come in there. So I believe it would be these ones. But let's see if we can do this without messing anything. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. A little bit of wiggle. All right. We basically have access to the pots. Come on. All right, we can disconnect this one. That'd make our life easier. There we go. Okay. So now, let's see. I'll take it over. That's the part you get. All right, come on, wiggle. All right, so we still have power on, but we have access to the pots somewhat. Looks like we're gonna have to attack them from the opposite direction. Big piece of fuzz there. All right, and yeah. Yep, I think we're gonna take it. And that's required. Getting those power lines off. Let's see if we can do this. I think that's gonna come. Let's do that for one time. Okay, so here we go. I think we go work like this. I think this will work. Okay. So is that good there? I think we're fine. Woo! Nice hiss. Using WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. And basically, I'm just going to try to get up in there the best I can. And we're going to wiggle the knobs. All right. Let's just see how we do. Ooh. That's already smoothing it up. Already getting smooth. Ooh. I wouldn't quite call that buttery, but it went right from sticky to pretty good. Working. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is so gummy. And then a little spurt. Come on, get in there. Oh, okay. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Oh, very, very smooth. Not perfect yet, but huge improvement. Huge. This one, feeling good. This one, feeling good. This one, need to crank that little sucker. All right, we'll continue on. All right, so far so good. A little bit of crud still on that one, but we're gonna just keep on pressing on. I think that works probably best. Is him all just keep on moving. Ooh. All right, these ones are a little different. Where can I get in there? Get on one side? No. I got to do the same spot, but it's just a little trickier. Good. All right, just double check. Yeah, it's very sticky. And I'm just gonna do this first one real quick. Okay, that's work. All right, the rest of them. Let's do some more guys. Whoops, just lost something. Oh boy, that's not. That's a good one. All right, let's keep going. Let's wait that. One time. considerable amount coming up. The bottom here is probably something. Definitely want to float this a little bit more. This one's still quite sticky. We'll let it. Fast evaporated my ass. Alright, so now we got two main control, one for main reverb and one for main master volume. And then, just not do it. And another three. They might do one more version of these. They've been quite sticky. And these are the most important ones possible. Master volume at least. Okay. Alright, there's all good. Now we just need to align all those little washers and get everything back in order. So let's do that now. Try to, at least. Alright, get that. So, might help shining a light underneath. Yeah, there we go. So, missing one right there. What did I carry away with? No? Is that one here? No? Alright, we'll figure it out. There's that. Yep, alright. And I have no idea if this is going to work or if I'm just wasting my time. Probably a better way of doing this, but that's how you learn, right? Alright, so we got three over here. We're missing two of the washers. Oh, okay. Is that just bad? What's going on? Oh, okay, two washers and then light bulb. That does make sense. Two washers, light bulb, everyone's in line. Let's see if I can actually get this through properly. I'll do the top row, everything else should be in line. Look at that. We did it. Just trying to make sure we get everything plugged back in. And wait, it didn't line. Okay, that was good. And there are probably some other points here where I might want to use some of this contact cleaner, but really it was just the pot. So I'm going to put this back together and see how we did. So find out. So now we know we have to flip over and attach 3 points, or at least 2 corners. So let's get sideways. That'll be smart. And we do a washer on there. Oh, yeah, here we go. And one of these. And now it's only small. Let's see. Oh, pretty smooth, pretty smooth. You know, maybe not perfect. I'm not coming back in or just less on the top, but that's pretty good. Well, let's less on the top. But let's put a washer on. Like that. So at least secure. And I can really direct where I'm trying to put this stuff. I guess I'm going anywhere. Let's just get this quick last before we wrap things up. And right in here. Probably was hard to press that, but it didn't matter. Alright, so at this point, I guess let's go one more of these on here since I had mine anyway. And then I think basically we could just put the feet back on, and then once we finish on the front, we'll be done. And that'll be a nice way to wrap things up, I think. Just don't cross right first row. Is that even close? Another foot. And it looked like about the same, but I'm not surprised if I can always put it together and it's crooked or wobbly. But I'm just excited to see some results. See if we start out here. Oh, come on, come on. Go on, go on. Go on. Here you go. There it is. All right. And with this last one, we should be ready to fix things up. Don't want to over tighten these in case I gotta go right back in. And actually, this one, I don't know what happened to this guy. What are you doing, man? Come on. Come on now. You gotta straighten things out. Gotta get a grip. All right. Here we go. So, hopefully everything is still in place, and it looks like it is. I wonder if I could have... You know what? While we're at it, let's just get a little bit in here. We'll rock that back and forth a little bit, maybe top and bottom. And if I'm going to be messing with anything, I'd prefer to have that being done at the end rather than spraying it while I have everything all open. And, you know, let's clean under these knobs too. I'm probably going to clean to it, but I think I'll just be fine with this. All right, we're almost done. Still got a lot of stuff to screw on, but It didn't take all that long to take it off. So I don't see why it would take all that long to put it back on, right? All right. Oh, that's still pretty crummy, but yeah. Not like it, but show what's going on. Please, come on, come on. All right, we got one. Yeah, that's still nice and smooth. Come on, buddy. Maybe this wasn't the best idea to do it this way. All right, that next one looks like I could definitely get one on, so we'll try there, and then we'll make them fight for it. Come on. Come on out. Yes, I got you. All right, and your friend too. There you go. All right. I think we can finish these ones off, and then we'll just get in the flow of going through all those. Yeah. This one. So close. All right, that was one. We don't even have any missing parts. How about that? Okay, so I think we will just zero everything to the left and start out that way. Or maybe max everything to the left. I don't know. Maybe we'll find out once we start placing the knobs. All right. Couple little annoying spots still. Yeah, how could I do all this work and then not clean up that junk? That'd be disgraceful, right? All right, enough. Start here. Everything is that way, which would make it like that. Like that. Start that way, go zero. Boom. Oh, that is big difference. That's a big difference. All right, zero here. Kablamo. Beautiful. Next up, zero. Boom. Up to 10, 0. No, this is a little different. That's 35. Plus 5 dB, minus 5 dB. A little bit hard to get that one, but I think we're good. It was a point where it was difficult to reliable. It's also reliable. Awesome, awesome. 0 to 10. Could do this a lot faster, probably. Yeah. Let's just pop them all on, and then we can fiddle with our knob later. There it goes. Almost line. Last rope. That's all. Right. All right. And I don't really think it was necessary, but laying them all out over there, it made it easy. A little bit of crunch on that one. So far, though, all the rest of them are just flying. That's a little bit of grime in there still. That one's free flowing. Yeah, pretty good. But the master, that was the most important one. And the rest of these, we can come back to them. We can come back to all this, but let's see what's going on first. Well, let's test it out. Not bad. Not bad.